Hi guys, and welcome back to Cash Bright, your guide to investing in an ever-increasingly uncertain financial world. Chris here, and in this video, I have 3 stocks which I think are well worth buying. Now of course, my recommendation does not preclude you from evaluating these stocks yourself, but I do think these stocks are great contenders for adding to anyone's stock portfolio. You know, 2020 has already been a year to remember, or forget depending on how you look at it, and the stock market has defied all predictions from Wall Street. Certain stocks have surged into uncharted territory, and such optimism, whether justifiable or not, has presented us all with a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to make some serious money. Now, more than ever, is the time to be watching the stock market. And with that in mind, here are the 3 stocks which I think you ought to be investing in. Number 1. Square. Now, Square is an American financial services company that provides mobile payment solutions. Its stock has increased around 100% since the start of 2020, even taking into account, of course, the dip in price in March due to COVID-19. Now, Square offers a point-of-sale software, and this software is valued by businesses in terms of its digital receipts, inventory and sales reports. Now, of course, retailers have been hit very hard in recent months, and this has affected the company's earnings. But many analysts say that it's hard to overlook the potential of this company. The technology in particular is well positioned for a post-lockdown business environment, when business owners will look for easy-to-use payment platforms which minimize contact with customers. The company also has a cash app, which is a peer-to-peer platform that lets users transfer money, activate debit card rewards, etc. And when this is combined with the business model as a whole, I believe this stock looks rather promising. In my view, this is a great growth stock to buy and to hold on to for the next few years once we are through the inevitable squeeze on earnings which most companies will see during this year. Coming in at number 2 is Amazon. Now, everyone knows about Amazon's success, and this success has continued even through the pandemic. People are shopping more online, and this has played straight into the hands of this Goliath of the online shopping world. And you know, it's not really surprising, is it? As the virus is quite contagious, easy to transmit, so the more you can limit your contact with the outside world, the better. Now, the stock is already highly valued and consequently expensive, which would make anyone wonder whether it's too late to actually buy. The thing is though, I do believe this stock will continue to rise even further. Many predict that the company will be posting relatively strong second quarter earnings, and of course this in itself could cause a reaction amongst investors to jump on this stock, particularly if we are to see any full or all-out crash in respect of other tech stocks. Now, it doesn't really need saying, but Amazon is a very solid company to invest in. And really, it's a no-brainer when it comes to choosing a long-term stock for your portfolio at a time when there is so much uncertainty for the future of the global economy. Finally, number 3 is Livongo Health. Now, Livongo is a digital health company that aims to empower people with chronic medical conditions to live as normal a life as possible. Now, just taking into account the number of people in the USA right now living with pre-diabetes, diabetes, or high blood pressure, any company that aims to take a novel and innovative approach to living with these conditions is likely to have a good chance of succeeding. Think about it in the context of this horrible pandemic, where patients have struggled to see their doctor and have had to miss out on treatment, much to the detriment of their health and, of course, their own mental well-being. as we are unlikely to see the back of this virus anytime soon. Investing in a digital health services company such as Livongo makes a lot of sense if you think about it. The company's stock has rocketed up more than 300% since the start of the year. Now, of course, this has been the case with many promising companies, but at around $110 a share, I believe there is still plenty of room for more rises to come. The company is due to release its financial results in August, and given how its second quarter results exceeded analysts' expectations, I think it may even be worth buying this stock ahead of the August release. So what are your thoughts on Square, Amazon and Livongo? Which other stocks have been working for you during 2020? Do feel free to let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video to be helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And until the next time, stay sharp, stay hungry, and stay cash bright.